Cashflow Business Incentives R&D Tax Credits. Did you know that most small and medium-sized companies are leaving significant tax dollars on the table? Are you aware that the government has enacted legislation specifically designed to provide businesses like yours with much-needed tax relief? For example, Congress introduced the Economic Recovery Tax Act of 1981 and within it the Research and Experimentation Tax Credit, also known as the R&D Tax Credit. This provision was originally set to expire at the end of 1985. However, it was extended 15 times and finally made permanent in 2015. The Tax Act was designed to incentivize American businesses that are thinking bigger and better to be more competitive and to keep jobs within the United States and within their local communities. It's meant to reward companies who innovate, design, manufacture, expand their business, and develop or improve existing products, services, or processes. According to the Washington Post, the R&D tax credit and other related tax incentives can save businesses more than $12 billion a year. And the Internal Revenue Service, along with Bloomberg Businessweek, indicates only 7% of small businesses are taking advantage of these tax credits and incentives. Unfortunately, the majority of eligible companies are totally unaware of these tax incentives or how they may qualify. In fact, according to Forbes, self-censoring is the biggest roadblock that keeps companies from receiving their credits. Many businesses simply rely on their CPAs to prepare and file their returns without having the tools, experience, and specific understanding of this part of the tax code. So who does qualify? Electrical contractors, HVAC companies, doctors, dentists, software firms, architects, engineers, manufacturers, and construction firms, just to name a few. If you spend time being creative, developing a better product, a service, or process, so you can be more competitive, then your business most likely qualifies, and that's where we come in. We are Cashflow Business Incentives, and over the past 18 years, our partners and affiliates have helped over 5,000 small and medium-sized businesses get back the refunds and credits they deserve. Unlike traditional CPA firms, we specialize in unraveling this part of the tax code and discover if your business has been overpaying on your taxes and therefore due a refund or credits. To see if you qualify for these incentives or credits, contact us today for a free analysis of the incentives and credits that may be available to you and your business. Cashflow Business Incentives 2083989986 www.cashflowbusinessincentives.com